How to tag all followers on your Facebook page. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to tag all followers on your Facebook page. Alright, so let's begin. Tagging all followers on a Facebook page allows you to mention all people who liked your page in a single post or comment. Tagging followers can increase engagement with your content. When people are tagged, they receive a notification which can increase the post by liking, commenting, or sharing it. To tag all followers on the Facebook page, first open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to latest version available. Next, navigate to your Facebook business page, decide where you want to tag everyone on your page. You can mention someone in your post or a comment. If you're creating a new post, tap the What's on Your Mind box to start writing your post. If you're commenting on an existing post, tap the comment box of a post. Remember that you can only do it once a day, so please be careful. Otherwise, you need to wait another day. Now you can add a caption and photo type at the rate to tag all people who like your page. As you type, Facebook will suggest a list of people and pages along with a followers option. From here, select followers to tag everyone who liked your business page. Once you finish tagging everyone you want to mention, you can publish your post by tapping the post button. So that's basically how you can tag all followers on your Facebook page. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.